Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on ZTE Blade A34. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click not now again, and you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.